RWS Mail is an easy-to-use email marketing web application that lets you send high-volume marketing and transactional emails. Once your mailing list is ready, you can create an email campaign to send to your list. Go to Campaigns, Create Campaign, choose the mail list to send, and follow the steps to set up and send your campaign. Choose your campaign type. You can either send a regular HTML email or a plain text email. Regular. Campaign the HTML email content as well as images, links. This is the most common type of campaign type. Plain text. Send a plain text email without link tracking, images, or HTML. Choose your mailing list. You can select one or more list segments for sending email. Enter campaign details and settings. Name. Give the campaign a name. For example, New Homes. From. Email address. Enter the address that will appear as the subscriber's email. From name. Enter the name that will appear as the subscriber's name. Email subject. Subject that will appear as the email's subject. Reply to. Email address for reply messages. Listing ID. An MLS number of listing for display property infos and photos embedded within an email. IDX query. Enter an IDX query string for displaying multiple listings embedded within the email. Track opens. Discover who opens your campaigns by tracking the number of times an invisible web beacon embedded in the campaign is downloaded. Track clicks. Discover which campaign links were clicked, how many times they were clicked, and who did the clicking. Add DKIM signature. Sign your email with your sending domain, if any, telling receiving email servers that your email is actually coming from you. This is to help establish the authenticity of your email, improving delivery rates and open rates. Choose your template and customize email. schedule date for your campaign to be delivered. Review and confirm your campaign. Review the campaign's performance metrics, including opens, clicks, and bounces. You can always track your campaign's delivery status, sent, bounced, open, and the campaign statistics page.